So that's where my stuff settled. That's her dorm room, and I am now editing my Spider-Man video where Lucky is cooking. Hi. What are you cooking today?
We're making Tonkatsu.
Ooh, yummy. Let's see how it turns out. If it's a fail or a successful dinner. There's the fryer. Oh.
Are you guys going to the dance?
Roommates.
Going to the dance?
No, we're gonna go hang out with our teammates.
Hang out with the teammates.
It's on YouTube?
Well, it's gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah, I'll edit this eventually. Hey everybody.
These are my roommates.
Introduce yourselves from my left.
Okay.
Okay, I'm Grace.
Grace.
Maddie.
Maddie.
I'm Ocean.
Okay. Alright, well you guys have fun.
Thanks.
So, now, you okay?
No, this door's heavy.
This
It's a heavy door. Might need one more actually. They're nice. I like them.
Okay, so what is this? You said you got me a fancy Japanese what?
It's more expensive here because we're not in an Asian supermarket, but I got you the Japanese panko.
Where'd you get this from?
Walmart.
They have it at Walmart?
Yeah.
That's neat. Okay, I just realized, sorry, the kitchen was super washed out, but I was able to fix it. So this is better now.
Hi, Bobby.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright, quick question.
Yes,
Have you ever made a tonkatsu before?
Yes. Once. And that was with the help of like 3 Japanese teachers.
Alright, so let's see how well your your memory serves you here.
Woo! No!
Her laptop is over here. She's watching
No,
tonkatsu
I'm doing
tutorials.
homework.
You doing homework? Whatever. You were just listening. You were literally just watching a tonkatsu. How to make tonkatsu? Okay. Well, she's setting up the breadcrumbs and the starch, and is that third plate for an egg?
Egu.
All right. Oh boy. And she's off mixing
This is nice.
the eggs with chopsticks.
What?
Why aren't you using like a batter?
Because you told me I couldn't get one.
No, what?
I asked if I could get one, you're like, no, just use chopsticks or a fork.
I said that, really?
Yeah, you actually did.
Oh. That's funny.
What?
What are you doing?
Tenderizing the meat.
That's what she said. I'm sorry. Are you still beating the meat? So,
Someone might die today.
so she was asking me how much oil should she put in the fryer.
It's cute.
What, the fryer?
Yeah. We should get one. Can we get one?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So, how's the meat looking?
Look at your tenderized meat.
Ooh. Okay, first the egg, and then the flour or
That's corn.
cornstarch
Oh,
stuff, and then whoop, the crumbs, the
What are they
crumb
called,
de la
Lucky?
crumb,
What are they called?
the crumb de la crumb. Ooh.
Wait, I think I did it backwards. I think, wait. I don't remember how to do this.
So I think you were supposed to put the cornstarch and then the
How would
eggs.
the cornstarch stick though?
All right, time for Google.
You wanna Google it for me?
Okay, hold on. First of all, I want to say thank you to Japanese Cooking 101 for telling us the correct order to cook. So yeah, she did it backwards. She was supposed to. There you go. Now the breadcrumbs are sticking. Good job.
Thank you, baby.
I think that's enough.
You really think so, though?
I don't know.
Oh.
Ew.
Just put it in?
Right.
My hands are gross.
So now it's frying. How long is it supposed to be in here?
8 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes.
5 to 8 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. And now we wait for it to cook. So we weren't sure how long we're supposed to do it. I think we watched a tutorial that said about 8 minutes.
5 to 8 minutes.
5 to 8 minutes. It was in here for like 2.
No? It's been 4 or 5 minutes.
Okay, but we didn't want it to burn, so it's about like we watched another tutorial and it basically said wait till it starts becoming a golden brown and it starts floating. It definitely started floating. So so yeah, we have a brown floater.
Ew! Gross.
Oh,
Let's see if I cut into it. What
all right.
happens?
So Lucky is about to cut it. Let's see how it turned out. It looks pretty cooked, right? I mean,
Ooh, it smells good.
yeah.
You smell it.
Oh, that smells pretty good, actually. Yeah. All right. How about one of the pieces? We'll do a taste test here. We'll do one of the pieces, cut one in half, and we'll both taste it. Okay?
Okay.
Probably gonna be super hot though. Be careful. Ah, me. Oh. Mmm. Are you now checking that it's cooked? You already fed me one.
You said,
So what do you think? I mean, I think the outside is a bit too crispy, but it's not bad. It's good. It's good. It could be a little less crispy, but it's verdict.
it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully the next one's better.
I got it right this time.
All right. Cool. Hello. I'm being attacked.
Ryan! I swear it's not burnt. It's darker color. I'm making a mess. Rip. Aroni.
Looks like you're having fun.
I'm massaging.
How's it feel like?
This is gross.
It feels gross?
This is really gross.
Explain it to me.
It's like a soggy towel, but I'm like pressing it into like, you know, it's like slime, like goop.
Slimy goop. Okay, what does this feel like?
Sandpaper.
Sand.
It's like I'm rubbing it in sandpaper. My fingers are all. I could fry my fingers.
Please don't fry your fingers. So, Lucky decided to change something up here, and she's making. What are you making?
Katsudon?
Katsudon, which is So,
Basically egg with the tonkatsu.
because she had leftover egg from what do you call it? Drenching it to put the crumbs and stuff, she decided not to waste it and make this instead. The other way not to waste any food.
Yeah.
So I have this meal now, and it has some onions and everything. Looks pretty good. Thanks. So yeah, if you think this looks good, leave a comment in the comment section below.
It looks like sadness right now.
Doesn't look like sadness.
It looks like sadness.
You know what looks like sadness though?
What?
This wet towel by itself. That looks sad. You have a bowl over here. I think this is it. Oh, wow! Look at this. Look at this magnificence right here. I'm gonna take a 360 shot of this. It's like something straight out of a Japanese restaurant.
Did you just drool?
What?
Did you just drool?
I didn't drool. You have no proof.
My eyes.
I didn't drool. I promise. I didn't. I drooled a little bit. Thanks. All right. So that's her tonkatsu. This is my katsudon, and this is our dinner. All right. I think this is pretty good. Then I'm gonna wrap it up here. She still has to clean up and stuff. Actually, I'll help you clean up. Actually, I'll wash the dishes and stuff. But you're welcome. Okay, we're gonna wrap it up. Wanna say bye?